Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax. This is one of my new listings here. This is an exceptionally clean, one owner, Boston Whaler, 19 Montauk. So what we'll do, we're gonna kind of go through the boat, point out some of the cool features on it. This particular one has the 150 Mercury 4-stroke. All service is up to date and quite a bit of factory warranty plus platinum coverage warranty on it. Roughly 75 hours. Blue gel coat that I just mentioned. It's got the white rub rail with stainless steel insert. Bimini top here with all stainless steel piping on it. The 19 is a very popular boat, has a nice deep V to it, unsinkable construction. Between the hull and the deck is all closed cell foam. So for a smaller boat, it does have a nice dry ride to it. The boat's in like new condition, very, very clean. So what we'll do, let's jump inside here. We've got some additional rod holders on the back. There's 2 jump seats that go in here with backrest. C-Star steering right here. Nice helm bench seat that's adjustable. You got your recirculating bait well right here. Here on the dash, optional Fusion stereo. You've got your nice Raymarine GPS bottom machine. Nice gauge layout. This one also has quite a bit of storage up front. Dedicated anchor storage, cooler with rod racks right here. So self-bailing cockpit. The boat does have a 60-gallon fuel tank, so very, very good range. Horsepower to weight ratio on the 150 is excellent, so is the fuel burn. So once again, the boat's located at MarineMax in Venice. My name's Jeremy Bradshaw. The boat will be listed at $58,950. So if you'd like some additional information, feel free to give me a call. My number is 941-376-3345. And if you take a look at the listing on Boat Trader, I'll have all the standard and optional equipment on there. Thanks again for taking the time. We hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.